Dear children, in this video we are going to learn about order of reaction, lesson chemical kinetics. So what is order? Order is defined as sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate law. So in this equation, 2 moles of nitric oxide react with 1 mole of oxygen. It gives 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide. So all they are existing in gaseous phase. So this is the rate law. So according to law of mass action, rate is directly proportional to concentration of reactant molecule. Here these two are reactant molecules NO and O2. So rate is equal to K into concentration of NO into concentration of O2. So here K is velocity constant or rate constant. So M and N. So we have to find M and N, then only we can find order. So these M and N values are calculated with the help of these details. So these are the 3 experiments 1, 2, 3. In first experiment the concentration of NO is 1.3, O2 is 1.1, the rate is 19.26. Then in second case the NO concentration is 1.3, O2 concentration is 2.2. So here the concentration of O2 is increases from 1.2 to 1.1 to 2.2. So the rate is also increases from 19.26 to 38.40. In third case, the concentration of NO is increases from 1.3 to 2.6. But O2 concentration is same in the first case, so 1.1. So here also the rate of the reaction increases from 38.40 to 76.80. So from this data we can understand one thing: concentration increases, rate of the reaction is also increases. Rate means speed. So concentration increases, rate of the reaction is also increases. So next let us see how to calculate the values of M and N. So see children. So listen here. So this is the rate law for this equation. Rate is equal to K into concentration of NO power M, concentration of O2 power N. So the unit of concentration is mole per liter. So here you can substitute that values. So rate 1 is equal to K into concentration of NO. From the table you can fill it here. So 1.3 power M, 1.1 power N. In rate 2, that is the second experiment. In second case, the concentration of O2 is increases from 1.1 to 2.2. In the same way, in third case, concentration of NO increases from 1.3 to 2.6. So now we framed 3 equations 1, 2, 3. So by solving this equation you will get the values for M and N. So see children, so first we have to divide the equation 2 by 1. So common term we can cancel, KK we can cancel here. So here 1.3 power M, 1.3 power M both are same, so you can cancel with each other. Then so 2.2 divided by 1.1. So we can cancel here. So 2 11s are 22. So 2 11s are 22. So 2 power N here. So we can cancel with each other. 2 19s are 38. So 2. So here the base values are same. Base value, that is left side base value 2, right side base value 2. So we can equate the powers. So our N is equal to 1. So N is equal to 1. So now we calculated the value for N. So N value is equal to 1. In second case, we will calculate the value for M. So by dividing the equation with 1, so you will get, so we can cancel the term KK and 1.1. So here also you can cancel with each other. So you will get 4. So 4 is equal to 2 13s are 26. So 2 power m. So 1.3, 2.6. So here, so 2 power m. So here the base values are not same. So you can convert this 4 into 2 square. So 2 square, it is equal to 2 power m. So now the base values are equal. So you can equate the power value. So m is equal to 2. So now we calculated m and n values. So you can substitute these values in that rate law. So rate law already we know. So rate law. So rate is equal to K into concentration of NO, concentration of O2, so power m, n. So you can substitute that values, concentration of NO, then concentration of O2. So m value it is 2, n value it is 1. So with respect to NO, the order is 2. With respect to O2, the order is 1. So the overall order of the reaction, so overall order is equal to m plus n. So m is equal to 2, 2 plus 1, it is equal to 3. So it is a third order reaction.